Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're checking out some of the best instant savings deals as well as inside track club deals going on at your local Harbor Freight. So let's dive in. All right, to get us started, we're going to check out some of these instant savings deals here. We see the Pittsburgh oil filter pliers. Holt also has theirs as well. You see these right here for 12 bucks. So a couple different options with those. Then we also have the automotive test and bleed kit here for 50 bucks. So if you need to grab one, definitely can. And then we have the Kenway trailer wiring kit, only 12 bucks there for that one. So again, if you got some of those lights on the last sale, you can check those out. We have some Doyle pliers there. Also has the Pittsburgh impact socket sets here for 18 bucks. And then other different sets here for Pittsburgh as well. Viking has their fast charger on sale there. You can check that one out. Also have some ratchet tie-down straps, 10 bucks. Great thing to check out there. Braun has their work lights, $45 for that one. Whether you can use it in your shop or your garage. They also have this like oil pan here from Pittsburgh. See the drain pan, 15 bucks. Has the little cap on one side there for changing your oil. Bauer has their torque impact wrench on sale, big heavy duty option there. 50 bucks here for the Pittsburgh 20-ton bottle jack. Next, we got the Warrior recip saw blades. These aren't going to be the best ones, but you know, some easy DIY ones here. We have some Icon tools. I like this little scraper set if you need one of those. Icon, solid brand there. Avanti has their small little painting set. So again, just doing a little small touch-up stuff. Braun has their lights, 500 lumens. I like these because they're really easy to work with and they can move around and stuff. Warrior heavy duty hot knife. Again, Warrior is a DIY brand, so just remember that. Not a great brand, but it's definitely good to get it and use it. I do like this, the power cutter. That's a great thing for opening boxes and stuff. Little hex keys here from Pittsburgh. Great thing to check out there. Circuit tester from Syntec. Pretty good option and deals and price on that one. Got some knee pads. Save those knees there. Also the Bauer bag. Easy to use that one. 13 bucks on that. 16-inch tool bag. I do like these trimmers, little shear shrubbers there for Bauer. Again, another solid brand. Grant has their foaming spray gun on sale for 20 bucks. We also have the rotary polisher and sander, $32 there from Warrior. And some more shop towels as well. Pittsburgh then has their curved locking jaw pliers. More socket sets here from Pittsburgh. And then we have the whole setup there as well with the socket sets. 20 bucks on that one. Again, Pittsburgh's solid brand. It's going to do a decent job for you. More options there. The pistol inflator from Merlin. Quinn has some of their options there. You got the steel wool for 3 bucks. You also have the little caster wheels. Chip brushes, 9 bucks on those. And a couple other small tools there. And then you have some rope for $29 if you need any of those. Some little tires. Make sure you know the size you need for the tires. Saw the brushes a minute ago. Pittsburgh has this jumbo combo wrench set for 60 bucks there. And Pittsburgh also has the 3-piece socket tray organizer for $8. I like that one. And then, again, the battery maintainer as well. We were talking about it earlier from Viking. I think this is the same one we saw as well for Pittsburgh. They also have their welding gloves. I'll show you some more welding deals near the end of the video. Found some more of those. And then we have the Pittsburgh tire repair kit. 5 bucks for that one. We have a 2-way Y hose connector, 6 bucks. Great thing for your yard. And then another shot at these lights, just in another section as well. $25 on those. Again, I like them because they move and they're magnetic and works really well. They also had a bunch of good deals on the Inside Track Club deals. So again, you have to pay in order to become a member of this, but they have a lot of good deals going on right now. They also have this bigger savings deal going on. I'll show you all some of those as well. But I wanted just to show you some of these Inside Track Club deals as we're kind of going through the store. But again, you'll need to pay 30 bucks in order to become a member. And then you can get deals all throughout the year. I would say it is worth it because you will save that much sometimes in one purchase. So if you need a lot of tools, or if you're going to be needing tools specific times, great thing to go ahead and check out. So you can see some of these. We just saw the 20 ton, but there's a 12 ton there. And then also some air hoses, and then even the Hercules. Really good deal, really good brand. And I like this little Bauer chainsaw as well, 65 bucks. And as always, Earthquake XT has either a clearance or some type of deal going on one of their drills there, so great thing to check out. I also have the air sander here from McGraw, and again, some of these are Inside Track Club members. This one is a clearance on the Jitterbug Orbital Air Sander. It's a great thing to check out. And then we also have some Black Widow spray guns, 130 on a lot of these here. So really good prices. And here's the 7-day super deals I was talking about. So you got a few of these going on. This one is for the Viking. We see this one right here as well, the battery charger and little jumper there. Yes, below this we have the Syntec 12-volt analog battery charger. And another one of the 7-day super deals going on, Grant's steam cleaner kit. So down 55%. So this is kind of off the tails of the parking lot sale they just had. Got some good deals on these fans. So Central Machinery had some good deals on their fans. So if you're still like me and trying to sweat it out in the garage, you can check out these deals right here. 100 bucks on those, but still a great way to kind of cool off a little bit. Another high velocity shop fan there. So multiple different fans and shop fans that you can check out if you need one of those. You also have the Icon aluminum bearing and seal driver set. See that one there for 100 bucks. Also the Maddox flaring toolkit, 53 bucks. Ames also has their digital video inspection camera. See this one down to 79 bucks. So you get to save a little bit on that one. Another 7-day super deal is the Daytona 3-ton jack here. So you can see that one right there, low profile. So you get to save 110 bucks. So again, some really good deals on those. You get to save a little bit on this box right here for Bauer, but they did have a bunch of other ones. I just want to show you a bunch of good storage for tools. So if you need some of those, definitely check that one out. Save a little bit on that size. They also have these stakes. I know if I've used stakes for random stuff, for tents and other things like that, and you're always losing them. You can grab some stakes here. A couple different options here for hand trucks. So you see this one down to 144, also Inside Track Club. So you see the convertible. And then right next to that one, they have the 4-in-1 convertible hand truck here from Franklin. So if you need one, again, another great one to check out right there. We have the sprayer from Greenwood. You see this 2-gallon sprayer here, 13 bucks. Also from Greenwood, the multi-purpose sprayer. A little bit different size on that one, but still solid deal. You can kind of see the size and what it looks like. Check those out. And here's another big one, 25% off all welding wires, rods, electrodes, and tips. So you got those deals. If you are going to grab that, you need to go ahead and do it here this week. But they have a ton of different options for those as well. But again, you have to be a part of Inside Track Club in order to get it. Another clearance item. Here we see the Cyclone Dust attachment for $250. So another clearance deal. Hercules, the angle grinder, 50 bucks on that one there. Also, we saw the more Warrior tools, but here is the reciprocating salt, $23.99. You can buy that and also the blades almost for less than 30 bucks. Mini cutoff salt, we saw this last time, still on clearance. Great thing to check out there. And then also we have the Grant's foam gun. I think we saw that earlier, but 20 bucks, really good price on that one. But overall, I think there's some pretty good deals going on right now at your local Harbor Freight. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing, and if this video has been helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. You can also check out another video right here, and I will see you over there.